going on, guys? So we wrapped up this 2000 Silverado. We put a Blueprint LS3 based LS3 motor in it. This Blueprint engine is the engine that they were giving away at Dinos last year, 2023. So this customer got a hold of us, and he wanted to see if we could put it in his truck. It was a V6 truck. Now it's a Blueprint LS3. It's running on an E38 ECU with a T42 trans TCM. It was already bagged, so I believe, let's see, it's got a sticker in the back. Lowboy Motorsports bagged this truck, and actually they did a pretty phenomenal job. I haven't come across too many really nice bag setups. This one is one of them for sure. So since it was bagged though, we had to move the compressor up a little bit. It's hitting on the control arm perch, and yeah, so they tubbed it and they relocated this fuse box right here. But yeah, this is it. So the Blueprint engine did come with a cam. We did Dirty Dingo's high mount AC drive with the compressor. Twin Built Racing built us a cool intake for it. And this one is just sitting on a bass tune right now. So it does run, but not to its optimal potential yet. So we did make all the gauges work. So all the gauges work as they should. AC works. Yeah, I'm not sure of another truck out there that's running an E38 ECU in a 2000 model with all working gauges. If there is, that'd be definitely pretty cool. Maybe we can share some ideas. Maybe there's easier ways of doing things next time, because this one was kind of a pain to get everything to work, but everything works. We did the OEM radiator and E-fans. Yeah, it's got a B&M 4L80 transmission with what seems to be a 3000 stall. I forget what stall it was on the box. The customer supplied it. Yeah, this is definitely a nice setup. It sounds really good. Drives really good for not being tuned. Obviously it's got a little hiccup here and there, but once it's fully tuned, yeah, this thing drives really nice. But yeah, if you like this one, just like and subscribe on the channel, because we're always doing stuff like this. You know, I'm really not going to do a drive video on it just because I can't get on it at all. It's just on a bass tune. Blueprint, they recommend 500 miles break-in, and I'm definitely not gonna go against their wishes. They know exactly what they're doing, and yeah, we're not gonna take any chances with this one. This is a brand new fresh motor. The other one was on a bass tune, but it wasn't a fresh motor. That it kind of got on a little bit. This one, we are not gonna take chances. So just regular driving for 500 miles, and then maybe the customer can bring it back to us. We can go over everything, make sure everything's 100%, and then maybe get on it a little bit just to check. We don't beat on any customer's trucks, but we definitely want it to break on us if it's gonna break. So definitely not beat on anything, but get on it just to test things out. So yeah, the clutcher all works. It has a low coolant and some lights on just because it's bagged and it's got a bunch of aftermarket stuff. That light is probably because of me, but the voltage is fine. So yeah, everything works as it should. Nice little bag, D-level setup. But yeah. So I'm gonna do a little shop update today. Just to show you where we're at with a couple of the builds. So that's Tino's truck. We haven't done absolutely anything to it. That's alright. He's a buddy, so he can wait. Alright, and then we got this one. I'm not sure how this video is going to come out, so if this truck is done before this video comes out, it'll make sense, or actually it won't make sense. I don't know. This truck might be done by the time this video comes out, might not, but there's going to be another a build video of this. So pretty much it was V6 V8 swap, blueprint engine. Still got to do some wiring on it. Just about done. And then on this build, Funkhauser sliders and brackets, Funkhauser anti-roll bar. Still got to be tabs still got to be welded for it, and brackets. Calvert monoliths, Calvert track bars, Caltrax, underbed. That's once we get the tabs on for the shocks, and we'll measure for length, battery relocation. And then we have the OBS. So there should be a wrap-up video for this one coming out soon. This is the one that we did a lot of unboxing of parts, and that is it. So keep an eye out for the unboxing video of that. But yeah, not the unboxing video, the wrap-up video. So not too bad. Came out pretty good. Good thing is it's a pretty clean truck too. See if the sun will allow us, but we're doing some maintenance to that one. Rob V's garage. Stop on shine. Oh, yeah, you know, the norm. You know how it is.